Tetris is a classic game that has been ported to just about every game console out there. If you wanted to play Tetris right now on your Android smartphone or tablet, then most of you would likely open up the Google Play Store, do a search for the word Tetris, and then you would find the official release for Tetris on Android, along with a number of knockoff games. Now, sadly, these versions of Tetris either have ads, in-app purchases, or both. And this can ruin the gameplay experience for many gamers out there. So today, I wanted to highlight a free and open source version of Tetris that you can sideload on your smartphone or tablet right now. It's called Falling Lightblocks, and it's from the developer Mr. Stahlfage. I apologize if I said that name incorrectly, but I'll be sure to link to the official GitHub page for this project down in the video description below. This is where they have uploaded the source code for their game, Falling Lightblocks. And again, you can download the source code directly from the GitHub page and build the APK for yourself. And from there, we can visit the itch.io page to play the game in our web browser right now. Or you can download the APK file for yourself. I will be including a direct download link to this latest version of the app down below in the video description as well. Once that APK file has been sideloaded and the game has been installed, we can go ahead and open it up and check out this Tetris style game. So we have an onboarding process that we need to go through that will show you how the game is played. We have multiple control options supported here, including an external controller, on-screen buttons, and gesture controls. There are multiple game options to choose from with the Falling Lightblocks game, including both single-player modes as well as a multiplayer mode. And we have the ability to choose from a mission game, a marathon play session, a practice mode, a sprint mode to 40 lines, and a modern play mode with a freeze feature. The game even has a theme feature that allows you to change the style of both the background as well as the blocks themselves. So you could download a theme that makes the game feel like the classic Game Boy version of Tetris, or give it a more modern look. You can download these themes directly from the project page themselves, and there are some community created themes that you could download as well. They even have a theme generator so that you can create your own theme for Falling Lightblocks. You may be wondering why Falling Lightblocks isn't available in the Google Play Store. And sadly, this is because the holding company who owns the Tetris IP filed a DMCA takedown request with Google for this game. In fact, we've seen this holding company take legal action against many small developers who were just wanting to make their own version of a Tetris game. And even if you don't use the word Tetris anywhere in your game description, if the mechanics are similar enough and the community has shown it to be a popular alternative, then they are likely to come after you if you try to list it in the Google Play Store. It's more difficult for them to come after projects like this when they avoid the major app stores, so it's something that you should be aware of. I personally feel like this is an abuse of power, as you cannot trademark or copyright a game genre or even game mechanics. Just because Mario was the most popular platformer at the time doesn't mean that Nintendo holds the rights to all side-scrolling platformer games. The same with id Software and Doom when it comes to first-person shooter games. But with small developers having limited resources to fight these types of threats, we end up with scenarios like this. And for that reason alone, I refuse to support this holding company by viewing their ads, buying in-app purchases, playing their official games, or even recommending them. And instead, I will point to free alternatives whenever I can. I even hope to publish a video here on this channel soon that shows you how to emulate the best version of Tetris ever released. So let me know if you have ever heard of this Falling Lightblocks game by Mr. Stallphage before. I got to play a bit of it this morning, and while I'm not completely sold on the control options just yet, the gesture controls method has begun to grow on me. It just doesn't feel very accurate or precise right now, but maybe that will change in time with some extra practice.